Failures often disappoint us and bog us down. And if they come repeatedly, we may end up in a permanent state of depression and dejectedness. Despondency and despair are the worst enemies of the human mind. Their rust makes the heart lose its shine and turns a vibrant individual into a lifeless creature. Faith in God is shaken, and endless is every road taken. Yet, let us never get bogged down. Let us rise after every fall and get up after every slip. Getting hold of ourselves in these times is not easy, but a strong faith in God and believing in our own selves does help undoubtedly. However, further strength can be acquired if one looks at those around us who keep struggling in life and still seem to be at peace and find solace in their struggle. Let us look beyond our own selves and see how the poor and the deprived cope with the hardships of life. Let us see the physically challenged individuals around us who labor through their routines with intense difficulty. Let us observe the orphans and widows of our society, how they strive in life knowing the endless misery that lies in store for them every day. Let us behold the sick and ailing people around us, especially those terminally ill. Some of them know that the end may not be far. Their plight is so very distressing to the eye. Let us finally reflect on all those in misery who still thank God for what they have and do not brood on what they do not have. If we can do all this and continue this journey of keen observation, we will, God willing, become people who find new energy in themselves and the will to go on even when the chips are down and hopes have been dashed to ground.